OK, Sky, open the hatch.
It's open, Ryder!
Great. Your turn, Robo-Dog.
Thanks for saving our ostrich family, Ryder.
No problem. Whenever your birds are on the run, just yell for help.
Now we just need the babies to recognise their real parents.
Look, the cheeks found their real mum and dad.
Oh, but Uncle Robo-Dog can visit any time because he's such a good pup.